Question: how can you attract money through law of attraction even you are not working hard? If I told you the key to attract wealth isn't about work hard, how would you feel if everything just comes to you naturally? If you have this mental block, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share 3 points that show you how you can attract money without working hard. Let's start. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Pastor Kids, grew up in the church, and now I'm the life coach from Universe Academy. This channel is all about help you to discover your purpose by satisfying your wealth, relationship, health, and your dream to find your true purpose. Stick around until the end because I'm going to show you 3 points grounded in the Bible story that will restore your mindset and guide you to discover your purpose in life. Point number 1, abundance mindset. What is abundance mindset? You must be asking. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever purchased an item on a shelf but worry about not enough money to pay, or too expensive, or you are not able to afford it? That is the mindset of the lack. You will need to adjust into the abundance mindset before align with the universe and the supernatural. Let me tell you a story in the Bible. In the Bible, 2 Kings chapter 4, 1-7, there is a story about the widow's oil. Long story short, the prophecy Elisha asking the widow to pour out the only oil she had in the house into the container, and the oil just keep flowing till all the container fill. This sounds incredible, right? You have the oil, you pour it, and you fill all the jars, all the containers in the room without working too hard, because you are alignment with abundance, alignment with Elisha's word, with obey and accept. This is the mindset we have to reprogram. We need to align with our source, our God, our supernatural power. Once we align, our mindset will be turned from the lack to the abundance. Point number 2, align your thought and emotion. Whoa, not again. You must keep asking, I already adjust my mind to abundance. How about the emotion? What you are talking about? Let me ask you another question. Have you ever experienced your imagination of getting a good grade in the school is going to have a good reward from your parents? When you have this emotion and this goal, all the reality will reveal in front of you once you work toward it. Sounds familiar, right? This is because your thought and your emotion align together with the supernatural power, with the work, and with your mentality. Everything align together and it will reveal to you. Just like a widow, she listened to prophet Elisha. She aligned with the word, she followed the instruction, and the blessing of the oil just flow into a container and fill everything without working hard. Point number 3, trust your instinct. Whoa, not again. You already tell me to reprogram my mindset and connect my emotion with the mindset. What's this mean? Trust your instinct mean? Let me ask you another question. Have you ever experienced talking to your boss about raise your salary with your gut, and suddenly you have a guts and your idea? How are you going to convince your boss? You suddenly have your thinking how to arrange all the speech and talk to your boss for the raise. Have you ever experienced when you take the item from the shelf, you feel about the emotion you can afford this item, and suddenly after you purchase, after all the process, you got a surprise income, you got a surprise bonus. This is the way we using our instinct in action. Let me share you a real story. Sarah Blakely. She is the founder of the Spanx. She started a business is just with 5,000 saving, and she have no experience in the fashion design or the business. But she had a simple idea. There we go. Keyword ideas. Create a more comfortable and flattering undergarment for women. Much like the widow who had just a small jar of the oil. She took the idea, she took the instant, and she acted on her belief. And with a little resource, she believed her vision and act on it. She aligned the source, she aligned the emotion, and she trusts the instant. As a result, we know she worked with the prototype, and her product is the big success. Spain become a very successful business today. Sarah Blakely is a billionaire. How would you feel about this story? You know about the abundance mindset. You know about align your thought and emotion. And you know about trust your instinct. But what action do you need to take? If you're feeling you're stuck and you don't know what to do to take action for the 3 points I just shared, I would love to offer you a free life coach section to help you find the solution. Just leave a comment below with +1. If today's message enlightened you, please give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and click subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will never miss out the new contents. This is PK Janti. I will catch you in the next video. And remember, trust your instinct. Bye.